Busman54 here. It's fixed. Corn burner's fixed. If you look, you can see the auger, hear that little noise. That little noise that's that auger turning. I wanted to show it to you before the fan kicks on, because then you'd hear the noise, the fan. So we have heat. Corn burners working again. It'll be a little tuning, you know, of the air settings, but pretty soon we got it. We'll get her running. So I'll get this video up, and I guess job well done. Now we're going to be able to do some garage time and work on some buses and hit that record button and put some more videos up. That's it from Busman54. You guys have a good day. Bye.